The Lamborghini Christmas true story of Sterling Bacchus and his 12-year-old son Xander. For almost 2 years, they have been building a real-sized Aventador SV replica in their garage in Erie, Colorado, USA, using a 3D printer. A few days before Christmas, father and son open the garage door and find a real black Aventador S instead of their replica model. Having proven with their project to be the most loyal Lamborghini lovers, the company contacted Sterling Bacchus and made him an offer he could not refuse. To surprise his son, a team from Lamborghini arrived in the middle of the night and replaced the Aventador SV replica with a real Aventador S Roadster in the family garage, only a few days before Christmas. Chief Marketing and Communication Officer of Automobili Lamborghini also commented, "Automobili Lamborghini is against any attempt of counterfeiting. However, a true story of such authentic passion deserves to be featured, which is why we chose to tell of the Sterling's and Xander's project in our 2019 Christmas video."